We are here at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort, and this place is beautiful. So we got our room. It's 2612.
Let's go for a
room tour. Well, this is a DVC resort, so welcome home. First things first, this is a 2-bedroom suite, and this room in particular can sleep 9 guests. So you and all your friends can come have a magical day here in South Carolina. Let's go to the guest bedroom first. On our way to the guest bedroom, we have your drop station. Put all your hats, your coat hangers, drop all your stuff off as you come in. Drop your purses off, your jackets. Kick your shoes off on this bench. There's a little bit of a hidden Mickey Walt Disney type situation on this bench we're going to show you later, but you're also going to pass this area, and because this is a DVC resort, your washer and dryer, you even have a little bit of washer detergent they give you for free. Moving on into the bedroom. This bedroom will cover 4 of the 9 guests. We'll start next to the bed where the drop station is. You got your nice little phone holder, your electronic charger port thing, which has 2 plugs and two USBs. Lord have mercy. Also down next to it is an additional 2 plugs, which is kind of unique for Disney hotels, so I appreciate that. Of course, you have the same thing in the center with your overhead lighting above the beds, but it's also 2 plugs, 2 USBs, and a nice little countertop space, as well as the same thing for the drop station on the far side. 2 queen beds. They're so comfy. A nice little thing about this resort, it was just redone not too long ago. So these are the new hotel rooms after refurbishment. Everything is so clean, bright, and inviting. It's really excellent. One thing that is kind of unique a little bit to this resort is the ceiling fan. And you have them in all of the rooms, which is amazing. If you're anything like us, we gotta have a fan when we sleep. Just gives it that little bit of a razzle dazzle feeling as you fall asleep. Nice large TV, but it's a Disney resort, so we're probably not gonna watch TV a whole lot. We're gonna be out exploring. Little drop station, kick your shoes off, put your shoes on. Nice little bench is awesome to have. An absolute massive amount of counter space. This thing is huge. All the storage you could ever want. You got a nice little vanity top here. They have slide out benches that are super comfy, or if you just need extra seating. This room in particular is on the first floor, but we have a really nice view of the pool and the hot tub area. Very coastally, it's got a great vibe. We're gonna be out there spending time in just a second. But now, let's head to this bedroom's bathroom. On our way, this is where our tiny little closet is. Not a whole lot, but it's just enough to drop your things, hang your clothes up, throw your luggage in there and forget about it for a while. It's awesome. Right around the corner, you have a nice little bench. You know, just extra seating is always nice to have in these hotel rooms. Moving on to the bathroom. For a secondary bathroom in these resorts, this bathroom in particular is extremely spacious. Nice seating area for doing the business. Really nice vanity area, very nice and bright. They even have your fold-out vanity mirror, and of course, all of your H2O amenities. But this shower also has a really nice seamless glass rolling shower door. Super quiet, super sleek. All the tiles are brand new. They have that gloss on them that's just like, mwah, chef's kiss. That's the end for the guest bedroom. Now let's go to the living area. So this living area for a DVC room, in my opinion, is probably the best living space out of all of them. There are a few that we haven't stayed at, so, you know, stay tuned for those. However, this chair, though it is gigantic and super comfy, it's also a pull-out bed. This couch, it is huge, it is luxurious, it's amazing. It's also a pull-down bed, Murphy style. Huge island, nice TV, kind of hidden, which I like a little bit, give you a little bit of ambiance without taking up too much room. Counter space, as much as you want. All right, coming down to the eating area, this little eating nook is laid out perfectly. The bench seat is super comfy. These chairs are very comfy. Doesn't take up a whole lot of room, but it can fit anybody you need. Right behind the eating area is the living room, is the kitchen. Dishwasher, your sink, and all of your cooking appliances and everything in here. Plenty of storage in the fridge, microwave, everything that you need. Also in the kitchen, in the cabinets, are everything that you need to fully self-sustain life. You have plates, cups, silverware, napkins, everything that you need, they got it in here. Because this is one of the freshly renovated rooms, it has the new Keurig setup, so it's got a single serve and a full pot maker, and it's excellent. And they have everything that you could need, creamers, coffees, teas, it's all there. Let's go to the master. This master has a king size bed, and it is amazing. Super soft and fluffy. Again, ceiling fan, give you that nice little razzle dazzle feeling. All of your counter space you could ever need, plenty of plugs, USBs, everything that you can need to plug all of your electronics. Keep everything nice at 100%. In this room, there's another drop station. Kick your shoes off, sit down, put your shoes on. Plenty of counter space and storage. Nice size TV, plugs USBs. It also has a nice little couch for you set up with some more storage underneath. Nice and comfy. Perfect. The master also has its own entrance onto the balcony, so that's really nice to have. First thing in the morning, you get your cup of coffee, you walk out on the balcony. Welcome to the master bath. This is unreal. Huge bathtub with a beautiful mural of Max and Goofy. I mean, who can't relax to that? Nice big mirror as soon as you enter from the master. Get ready in the morning, it's always nice to have. In this little closet, this is gonna be where you have your extra pillows, your extra blankets, some hangers. If you spill something, they even kind of vacuum in there for you, but we're not gonna use it. Plenty of counter space, just like the rest of the room. Nice big mirror, everything's nice and lit up. And again, you have your vanity mirror. Moving into the secondary part of the bathroom, another vanity with another large countertop, your toilet. This bathroom is also separated by a door on either side. So if you're getting ready in the morning from the master, you can have this closed off and this door closed off, and you can have your own separate bathroom to get ready and kind of freshen yourself up in the morning without having anybody barge in on you. Again, this bathroom has the H2O Plus amenities, beautiful tile, seamless glass shower, but this one offers a handheld device and a rainfall shower, so this is an awesome shower. Now let's move on to the balcony. So this balcony in particular does look over the pool and the hot tub and the slide. However, there are a majority of these rooms here in this resort that overlook an intercoastal waterway in the marsh, and they are beautiful. This is more of a fun, lively vibe, but the pool does close early, so it's not that big of a deal at night. Now, this is a Murphy bed. All you gotta do is just move this out of the way. It's on rollers, it's not that hard. Take this pillow off handle and it folds right down, and it's even on hinges, so you don't have to worry about it falling on you or anything like that. Really nice size queen bed, and it is very comfy. Also, the murals behind these Murphy beds are spectacular. Even if you get a room and you're not using it, pull it down just one time just to look at the mural. It's amazing. Yeah, this one's got Donald on a hammock. How can you not love that? This also is a fold-out bed, but it is a fold-out twin, and it's the traditional style fold out. Underneath this, you lift up and you pull it straight out. Thank you for joining us on this room tour. Make sure to follow along. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It makes a huge difference to our tiny channel. Let's try to bump those numbers up, baby. But with all that being said,
don't forget to keep the wanderlust alive.
And we'll see you somewhere. I promise I wouldn't leave you hanging. Right over here on this bench, there's a nice little tribute to Mickey and Minnie and Walt Disney.